Hello and welcome back, everybody. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. I was a little late getting into the select purchasing, so missed out on the mega boxes. Just wasn't real sure how I felt about this year's select, so decided to grab a couple of the blasters from Walmart. These will have your red and blue Prism die cuts, 3 blaster exclusives. Seen some pretty good stuff pulled out of this, but hit and miss, really. They seem to add a bunch more levels to select this year. I don't know if that would be a good or bad thing. I think it kind of waters it down more and just harder to get those hits. So we're going to do our 2 blasters, see how it goes. I like select over the last few years. I just don't know about this year's select. So we'll see how we do. I do like the die cuts. They're kind of cool. You can get some pretty cool numbered colored parallels on them. But so starting off with Rashad White, Adam Thielen base, a Treylon Burks rookie card, and Josh Pascal rookie die cut. I've been thinking about getting some of the new 2023 college stuff that's coming out for the new draft class. Haven't pulled the trigger or anything yet, but I do like this next year's draft class. As we're having one of our first red and blues here. Boy Mayfield rookie. And Brian Asamoah II with a nice print line across the bottom rookie card. Haven't seen him in too much product. Nick Bonito, Saquon Barkley. So these are the concourse. Damian Pierce rookie on the futures, and DeForest Buckner. And that's the club level. It's hard to keep track of all these different levels of them. I do think you get a lot more die cuts and probably a little better chance of getting those lower numbered cards that look like out of the mega boxes if you're able to get some of those. So another concourse, Skylar Thompson concourse, Nakobe Dean, probably a concourse again. On the red and blue with Deshaun Watson behind him, and another nice print line across the very bottom there. Not seen really any of the big rookies yet. Romeo Dobbs or Dubes. Rondale Moore. Turbocharge of Christian Watson. Good looking card. And a Cam Jurgens rookie. Alright, final pack of the first blaster. These are, I think, about $20 to $30 cheaper than a mega box. So far, I think I'd prefer a mega box over these blasters. Spend extra money on it. Martin Emerson, a Mac Jones. And Juju Smith-Schuster on the red and blue with Devontae Wyatt on the back for the rookie. So, get into our last blaster here. Not cut it well. Go again. You do get 1 silver for these, so the last one must not have had much in it because I didn't even pay attention to it. Autograph would be nice. We're looking for those animal prints, the zebras and stuff, which are pretty hard to come across. I think we did find a zebra, so second box just for getting 2 of these, pretty good deal. We might save that for the end. We got Brian Robinson, looks like our silver, so very good pack. Najee Harris on the futures, and we're just going to let that one hang out over here, and we'll see what it is at the end. Awesome. I can't believe just got 2 boxes of these. Ordered them off the Walmart website and did get a zebra print. I guess talk about it and you kind of make it happen. You got to put it out there. So Brandon Ayuk, Jack Sanborn rookie, a Kingsley, another one, Enogbear probably, and Gabriel Davis. Seen some, every product seems to have a few more new guys added to it that you haven't been seeing all year in all the products. So Patrick Mahomes on the base, Terry McLaurin, Lamar Jackson turbocharged, cool looking inserts, and a Chris Olave, probably just concourse again. Nope, club level. I'm terrible at picking these out. Club level has little rounded edges there. Nice Chris Olave. Might be our best rookie card so far, which is kind of sad. Haven't seen any of the quarterbacks. Super excited about that zebra. Maybe they'll give us our good rookie card there. So Damar Hamlin, Mon-Ra St. Brown, Akeem Anunwa on our red and blue, and Jack Jones. Cameron Dicker, the kicker, Lamar Jackson, Jalen Hurts, the numbers, and a Tom Brady on the premier level. All right, our final pack before we get to that zebra. So Chris Olave, Concourse, Jake Ferguson, Treylon Burks. That's another nice for the red and blue. And Trent McDuffie. So let's get to this zebra here. Super excited for it. So it looks like it's for the Chiefs. It is a rookie. And it is a Sky Moore on the zebra. It would have been really cool to see a Pacheco there. I believe he's in this product, but hey, Sky Moore, I've had some luck. I pulled his Black Pandora out of Donruss. Oh, that's a terrible sleeve. Something happened to that one. Go ahead and get that sleeved up. Do a top loader. So as I was talking crap about the blaster boxes, we do happen to pull a zebra print Sky Moore. So that is, I suppose their case hit, so that is very cool. And really, that's about the only thing besides, I mean, this red and blue Treylon Burks is probably up there as well with an Olave rookie. So super excited about that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know how you've done with these select. I probably won't be buying much more, but this makes it a little tempting. I also had that luck with the downtown back there, Eli Manning, and bought a bunch more of the optic and got skunked. So we might just take the W and maybe try to get some more hobby boxes. Open some of those for you guys. So that'll do it for this video. Fun rip. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you can stay caught up when the new videos come out. Good luck ripping out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.